How to encourage people to comment on your blog posts. If you own a blog and want to ensure that it has an active community, then you probably often found yourself wondering how to encourage blog comments on your blog. The most obvious way to encourage comments on the blog post is to ask for them by placing a question for discussion at the bottom of the post. You may also want to place an additional simpler version of your discussion question somewhere just after the first paragraph to warm up the reader for the discussion. The question for discussion should relate heavily on the subject being discussed in the blog post and should concentrate on some point you mentioned in your post that different people could have a wide variety of opinions on. By focusing on a question that people will have different opinions on, you'll find that your blog commentators will begin discussions of their own between themselves. Another way to encourage discussion in your blog comments is to include a lot of your own opinion in your posts. Opinions tend to be highly subjective, and other people will have their own subjective opinions and will feel compelled to share them in the comments. This will lead to commentators commentating on each other's opinions and can lead to some dynamic and interesting discussions in the comment section. Posting about controversial topics can also lead to some active discussions in the comments area of your blog. People love controversy and love to discuss their own opinions on it. Because controversy tends to be highly topical, you may find your blog post attracting a lot of search engine traffic from people searching for information on the subject of the controversy or searching for a place to discuss it. Avoid making controversial posts that are just designed to misinform and stir up trouble, though, as these type of posts will just build a bad reputation for your site. A better approach is to openly play devil's advocate on a controversial topic to encourage discussion from different viewpoints. By applying some imagination in incorporating discussion materials into your post, you'll find that your blog can become a hive of interesting discussion for your community.